So I have this outlet here and I want to work on it. I'm going to show you guys again the quick and easy way to figure out which breaker controls this. I have here a circuit breaker finder and I want to show you guys exactly how to use it and why you should have one of these in your arsenal if you plan to do DIY electrical work around the house. Stay with me in this video. I'm going to talk to you about it really quick and show you exactly how this thing works. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To all my longtime subscribers, welcome back. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all things DIY, including reviews, tips, and tricks. All right, guys, in today's video, I got this outlet here that I'm going to be working on. But of course, I want to do it right. And I want to make sure that I cut the power to this. So there are a couple options. You can always use the old-fashioned method where you plug something in and run back and forth, flip your breakers on and off to figure out which one it is. But of course, as a DIYer, I want to make things easy and I want to show you guys how you can make it easier for yourself. So what I have here is a circuit breaker finder. This one is from a company called Noyafa, and I want to show you guys what I typically do whenever I'm working on an outlet, how easy it is, and what you guys can do too if you guys are interested in working on electrical circuits. The most important thing when you use a circuit breaker finder is you want to make sure that you have something that's dependable, that's going to work. I've tested a bunch of these things and this is just one of the ones that I use. I just thought I'd talk to you guys a little bit about it and show you guys exactly how to use it. Now, the circuit breaker finder comes in two parts. You have your transponder and you have your receiver. Now, these things work in combination and using them together will help you find whatever circuit that you are wanting to find. I'm going to get a lot of questions in the comments, but before I do, I wanted just to tell you the package that I have just includes this transponder and the receiver. However, they do make a bunch of accessories for it that will allow you to find not only outlets, but light switches, bare wires, light bulb circuits, whatever you want. They have the tools and they have the accessories to make it easy for you. Now I'm going to take you guys on the journey with me in real time just to show you guys exactly how quick and easy it is to find a circuit that you're working on whenever you want. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and plug in your transponder. And all you do, plug it into your outlet, it sits right here. Now on here is going to be lights, and depending on if your circuit is wired correctly or not, you're going to get a series of lights. In my case, I have it wired correctly. These two lights are illuminated. Now I'm going to take you guys with me to the panel and I'm going to show you how to find this circuit. All right, let's go. All right, we can do this thing in real time so you guys can understand just exactly how easy this thing is. Let's flip it around. All right, so now we have our panel here and I have my receiver right here. First thing I want to do is I want to turn it on and I'm going to press it again just to use the light. As you can see here, it has a light that will illuminate the panel. And all I want to do now is just scan my panel until it beeps. Ah, there you have it. It's actually the first breaker below the range circuit. And if this is true to the fact, all we need to do now is turn off our breaker. Oh, there you have it. Looks like the lights went out. We can go back in and we can check it out and see what's going on here. So there you have it. All the lights are off, which means that this circuit is now dead and I'm free to work on it. That wasn't too bad. All right, there you have it. Simple and easy. The circuit breaker finder worked perfect. There are a couple of features that this breaker has that some of the other ones don't have. If you look here on the front, there's a wheel here which can increase the sensitivity of the tester. So if you're having issues with the breakers and you're finding that it's beeping too much, you can turn down the sensitivity or increase the sensitivity to be able to locate the specific circuit that you're trying to find. It also has, the base has a plug so that the transponder will actually just fit nice and snug right in here if you want to throw this in a bag so you don't lose them. Another feature is that if you look here on the transponder, it has a little test button right here which allows you to test GFCIs to make sure that they reset properly and that they're functioning okay. So yeah, it's pretty nifty. They fit together nice. And of course, it also comes in a nice carrying case like this. It's got a little neoprene case. It's got cutouts. You can see here, we can fit this piece in here Fit this piece in here. With all the stuff fit together, it's even got a little place for your manuals and any cables and stuff that you may have. Again, you can just zip it up, toss this in your bag, keep it in a cabinet, keep it somewhere safe. But yeah, it's pretty good. I use this a bunch of times depending on where my scenario is and which one is lying around. But the whole idea is you want something that works well, is dependable, and can get the job done. This checks all that boxes, so I definitely keep it around and I use it all the time. Now listen, if you guys are into DIY electrical, having a circuit breaker finder is a must. Why? Because it's going to take the hassle away from you trying to figure out which circuit you're messing with. You're not turning off the wrong circuit to turn off a bunch of different things. It works all the time, every time. Nice and easy. Take your time, scan your panel, find your breaker, and you're good to go. So that was a simple and easy one for you guys. Save it, send it to your friends. Hopefully they'll pick up one of these things. Links are in the description. Or you may see pop up somewhere around here. Either way, you guys know where to find one if you guys want one. Again, thanks again for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.